In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Printify Catalog. Printify's catalog is where you'll explore products, compare print providers, and start designs that fit your store's needs. Begin by opening your browser and searching for Printify. From the results, click the official Printify link to go to the homepage. If you're ever unsure, look for the secure padlock icon in your address bar and make sure the domain is the official one. Once you're on the site, log into your account so you can save your work and access the design tools. From the dashboard, head to the catalog. This is your product library. On the left, you'll see a sidebar that helps you narrow things down. Best sellers is great if you want proven items that convert well. New arrivals highlights fresh options you can use to stand out. You can also browse by categories like men's clothing or home and living to keep your search focused on your niche. If you already know the brand you want, use the search bar at the top. Type in names like Champion, Comfort Colors, or Stanley to quickly surface those specific products and compatible providers. Click on a product you like, such as a unisex heavy blend hoodie. On the product page, scroll to the Print Providers section. This is where you'll make key business decisions. First, check the Printify ranking, shown as a score out of 10. This rating reflects real-time data like product quality, production speed, and stock reliability, helping you pick partners that deliver consistently. Next, consider location. Choose a provider close to your customers. For example, if most of your audience is in the UK, a UK-based printer can reduce shipping times and costs. Then compare price and shipping together. A low base price can be offset by higher shipping, so look at the total delivered cost to protect your margins. Within this provider list, use the filter button to refine your choices. You can prioritize by Printify ranking, production time, lowest or highest price, and lowest or highest shipping. Filtering makes it faster to align providers with your priorities, whether that's speed, cost, or reliability. When you've picked a provider, select Start Design. Upload your artwork from your device, Dropbox, or Google Drive. For best results, use high-resolution files, and make sure your design fits within the safe print area. Preview the placement and colors so everything looks the way you want. When you're satisfied, click Save Product. Your design and settings will be stored in your account, ready to use, update, or publish whenever you're ready.